Welcome once again to my page, to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to start a series of videos about introductions to information system. Today we're going to start with the chapter 1, introducing today's technology, computers, devices, and web. I hope you guys like it. Um, let's start it. Technology provides access to the digital world in so many ways and so many equipments. We have computers, we have mobile devices, and all those with applications. Technology can be enabled to you to more efficiently and effectively access and search for information. We can share personal ideas, photos, and videos with friends and others, communicate with and meet other people, manage finance, shop for goods and services, play games or access sources of entertainment, keep your life and activities organized, business activities, and etc. Um, we use technology for every single thing we do in our life. And this is some of the more comments that we use. Every day, since the moment that we wake up, we attach to technology. Uh, some people are more digital, I'm sorry, literacy, and some are not. That's how we knowledge and understand the computers, mobile devices, the web, and related technology. Computers is an electronic device that operate on the instructions stored in its own memory, accepting data, which is the input, and the part of it as giving it instructions and directing instructions to the computer. Produce information. That's the response that we getting from the computer in the moment. All the information that we're getting are the response of the electronic to us. Store information for future use. Uh, like we know, we can save all kinds of stuff in the computer and from files, documents, pictures, etc. Contain many electric, electronic, and mechanical components. That's the hardware. And later on in another lessons, we will talk about the hardware part, which is video card, memory, motherboard, etc. Softwares and programs. Collection of related instructions organized for a common purpose. Using softwares, you can complete a variety of activities like searching for information, type a paper, balance a budget, create a presentation, play games, and much more. Search information, we have the internet browser that we go to do search. Type of paper, we have Microsoft Word, Google Docs, etc. Balance a budget, we have Microsoft Excel, we have Google Sheets. Create a presentation. Once again, we have Microsoft PowerPoint, we have keynotes for Apple, and play games. There's a lot of different type of games that we have online that we can play online only with the access to our mobile device or our computer. And like I said, much more. Personal computers, or we call them PC. You're gonna hear the word PC during this lesson or in your regular life. Can perform inputs, processing, outputs, and storage by himself and is intended to be used by one person at a time. We call them personal computers because it's only one computer with one person, one user at the moment. It's a one-on-one, and that's what you do, perform your work, or any type of activity on the computer. Most PC can be communicate with other computers and devices. Type of personal computers. We have different type of personal computers. We have laptops, we have tablets, we have desktops. We have some other ones that we mentioned later on during this lesson. Laptops and tablets can also be called mobile computers. Laptops are also called notebooks. computers. They're thin, lightweight. The screen, the screen is lit. The keyboard is on the base, designed to fit in your lap, easy to transport in your backpack, your purse, and weigh less than 7 pounds. Up to 7 pounds is the maximum weight that we can find a laptop. Most operate in battery and or power supply. There are some laptops that are less than 1 inch thick and weigh less, approximately less than 3 pounds, and we refer those to as an ultra thin laptop. We have the tablets. Tablets is usually smaller than a laptop, large, larger than a cell phone, thin, really lighter weight. They're touchscreen, no physical keyboard. It has a virtual keyboard or on-screen keyboard. Operate with battery and power supply, and it lasts longer than a laptop. Interact with a touchscreen. We control uh, the tablets with the use of our fingers. They have what we call in touchscreen gestures. Desktops and all-in-ones. They are designed to be stationary locations. All components fit in one or under one desk or a table. Some of the screen is in-house with a display device. Simply display separated from the tower. Regular desktops, there's the monitor, the screen, the keyboard, the mouse, and the tower. The all-in-ones is pretty much the screen, and inside the screen we have all the components, all the electronics, the the having a computer. Instead of having a tower, we just have the screen. Um, some all-in-ones support touchscreen too. Servers. Servers is dedicated to provide one or more services to other computers or devices in a network. Once we have more than one computer connected to the same uh, communicate through campus, example for a school, that means they're in a network. And they all centralize in one computer, one main big computer. That's a server. That's where all the data, information, and everything is safe stored. Um, Available in different sizes and types. For small to large, for business applications, support large corporates, government, and web applications. Provide services to the computers or devices on the network. You can install or connect different types and amount of example printers. And for all the computers, you can access to all the printers because they are connected to one main computer that we call server printer. When a computer or device connect to a network, that means we can say this to be online. Mobile and gaming devices. A mobile device is a computer device small enough to hold in your hand. Because of their reduced size, the screens on mobile devices are small, often between 3 to 5 inches. Some mobile devices are internet capable, meaning that they can connect to the internet wirelessly. You often can exchange information between the internet and the mobile device, or between a computer or network and a mobile device. Popular types of mobile devices are smartphones, digital cameras, portable and digital media players, ebooks readers, and wearable devices. Are mobile devices computers? The mobile device discussed in this section we can can be categorized as a computer because they operate under the control of instructions stored in their own memory, can accept data, process the data according to specific rules, produce or display information, and store the information for the future use. Smartphones. All the smartphones there are mobile devices and they're considered as a mobile computers too because they have hardware inside the controls manage all the inputs outputs that we request from the device. They are internet capable cell phones. Includes calendars, address book, calculators, notepad, games, and several other applications. Applications and programs on the phone and some others are available through an app store, usually associated with the phone. For example, if we have Android phone, it comes with some applications like address book, calendar, to text message, to take pictures, etc. And there's a lot of more applications that we can download to the Google Play. They communicate wirelessly with other phones and computers. You can connect through a wireless, or Bluetooth through another phone or another device or the computer. You can listen to music, take pictures, record videos, and mostly they are touchscreen. Some you can send text messages, media file, etc. It has capable to do voicemail, text message, pictures messaging, video messaging. We have digital cameras. Digital cameras nowadays they are so advanced that allows you to take a pictures and store the pictures digitally. It can communicate wirelessly with another device. Mostly mobile device include at least one integrated digital camera. Like your smartphones, it comes with a digital camera already built in that you can take pictures and send it to message. You can view the pictures after you take into the small screen that every digital camera has. That way, if you don't like the picture that it come out wrong, you can actually delete it in the moment and retake the picture. Transfer images from the digital camera to a computer or device. You can do it in different ways. Taking the digital camera, connect it wirelessly, Bluetooth, or simple take the memory card and insert in your computer. Communicate wirelessly with computers and other devices. A lot of this they are capable to through wireless. You can connect to actually your smartphone and download the pictures straight to your smartphone from the digital camera. Portable and digital media players. Mobile devices in which you can store, organize, and play or view digital media. Digital media includes music, photos, and videos. Enable, enable you to listen to music, view photos, and watch videos, movies, and television shows. Transfer digital media from a computer to the web or download from the web if the device is in the internet capable to the portable media player. So enable you to play the media while it streams, that is while it transfers to the player. Ebooks readers. Um, Short electronic book reader or e-reader is a mobile device primarily just made for reading. You can download from a website like Amazon through Kindle the book that's been already printed. You can download it and read it to the device. They call it digital books. It's the electronic version of the printed book. And usually it's less expensive and you can store in the device lots of different type of books. You don't have to carry so many books in your backpack. You can all be stored digitally in the e-reader. And they are all touchscreen, internet capable. Wear, wearable devices. Trackers, smartwatches, smart glasses are most popular. Small mobile computing devices designed to be worn, monitors heart rate, measure pulse, count steps, track sleep patterns, time, answer phone calls, read messages, play music, GPS built in, take pictures and videos. All these devices has are considered as a mobile computer because it has electronic devices inside that you can have the output and input data and connect it to the phone or connect it to your computer, or simply just if you have the internet capable, you can actually transfer the information to your phone via Bluetooth or wirelessly. Game devices, game consoles. There's a mobile computer designed for a single player or multiplayer video game. You connect it to the TV and play games. You can play solo with the game, or you can actually connect to the community, the players. They are connected online over the internet, and they can play against or with each other via internet. Besides that, you can search the internet, you can listen to music, watch videos, movies, and photos. A lot of new game devices has the apps built in, like Netflix, Hulu, and they all you can actually connect to the internet and watch movies, and not just for games anymore. They have the handheld games devices, which is small, that can fit in your hand, and the size is similar to a smartphone and do all the same functions that a smartphone, except for making calls, like share pictures, movies, files, and of course, play games. And you can connect it to the internet, and you can play multiplayer games with another players over the internet. Gaming and digital home. Academy researchers developed the first video game in 1950s as a part of their studies for artificial intelligence and simulations, and their work was applied and expanded commercially to early home consoles and arcade games. The concept of home automation can be traced back in 1898 when Nikola Tesla invented the first remote control. The following sections describe how these two technologies are used today. Gaming. Video gamers spend millions, billions of dollars each year making the most of their downtime with game consoles and devices, with an estimated 5 million of people worldwide playing at least 45 hours per week. The popularity is due, in large part, to the social aspect of gathering families and friends to play together as a group or online with each other and those around the world. The wide variety of categories offers a gaming experience for practically everyone in genders such as adventures, education, fitness, puzzles, sport, role playing, and simulations. Obtaining games. Gamers have several options available for locating games. For tablets and smartphones, they can download games from the App Store to a mobile computer or device. For game consoles, they can purchase or rent discs or other media that contain the game, download or transfer them from online stores, or sign up for a cloud services that stream or transfer games on demand. Accessories and input techniques. The more popular game console would work wide variety accessories input techniques for direct movements and actions on the screen. Players and audios that include gamepads, voice command, fitness accessories, some which are shown here. Although many games are played using a controller, several systems operate by allowing the players to be the controller. It comes with a motion sensor, some cameras. They actually can record your shape of your body and recognize the move and gestures that you do to control the computer. You don't need to hold in your hand a remote control or a game controller to play the game. Another technology that we have nowadays is home automation. The homeowner is integrating features that automate a wide variety of tasks in your house. Some of the call it smart house, uh, electronic house, and we have different type of automations that we can incorporate to our house, like lighting. You can control around the house with your smartphone. You get some devices and some. And nowadays, you can buy light bulbs that connect to internet, and you with the application that you download on your phone, you can control to turn the lights on and off. The thermostat, you can control the temperature, the time, the hours that you want to work, and everything only with your smartphone or your computer, and you don't have to actually physically touch the thermostat in the wall. Appliance programs control dishwashers, coffee makers, etc. You can, from work before you go home, you can turn it to tune the coffee so it'll be ready when you get home. You can actually run the dishwasher, and they will let you when the dishwasher is done. You can actually see you can create a list and what you need to go to shopping, and it will send you a message of everything that you need to buy. Security. That's the most common and the most um, on demand that every homeowner requests is the security of the house. Alarm systems, webcams, cameras outside and inside, and they all can be controlled with a smartphone or any other device, like a tablet. You can use iPad. You can use even your watch and the pad that comes in the house to control, to set an alarm, to open the door, to turn the lights on, to it records every movement as a motion sensor outside. It records a short video of what was outside that trigged the alarm. Remote controls. You can actually turn the TV on, change the channels, volume, and everything with your smartphone, all via wireless with the access point. Video equipment, you can do different ways, and all you can do it with your smartphone. Well, I think that's it for today. This is the first part of different videos for this lesson for today's technology. Thank you for watching. Feel free to comment or request. I would appreciate if you guys like the video, share it, and leave comments about what you like about the video, what you don't like. Uh, I would like to know what the negatives and the positives of the video. Um, if you I wanna try to put more videos every week. The second video for this lesson, at least once or twice a week. So please subscribe, and that way you can get notified when a new video is posted. You have a good life, have a good luck, and hope to hear from you guys soon. Thank you.